Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the Pokemon Psyduck. If you guys have any other different types of Pokemon you want me to draw, definitely let me know. I'm all about drawing all the different 150 first original Pokemon, but I don't know a whole lot about the new ones. So if you guys have any requests, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with Psyduck, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a little oval shape right here. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to put another oval shape right over here for the eyes. Inside of here, we're going to add a little black dot inside each one. Now for the beak, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down. It's going to end kind of about the halfway point of this eye. We'll make a little line that comes down on each one. Now the beak is going to be a little bit tricky, so what we want to do is we want to go out like this. We're going to make it nice and round, and then we're just going to bring it right up to here. Beaks, especially like a duck beak, is always kind of tricky to draw. Then we're going to make two little lines like this. Now we want to start with the head. When we draw the head, we're going to make just kind of like an oval shape. It's going to get really close to this eye, and it's going to stop right about here. So we're going to come up here, we're going to get really close to the eye, and we're going to stop right about there. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. Now for the hand. I'm going to draw a little line that comes down on each side for one of the fingers. I want to make one that goes out and then in, and another one that's going to go out and then in right here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to go in, out, and then back in. And then this one's going to go out, and it's going to come in here like this. We'll make a little line that connects it. Now, starting here on this beak, we're going to make the other arm. So we're just going to make a little line that's going to come up. We're going to make a line that's going to go out and then in, and then up and then down right there. Next for the body. Let's start right here on the beak. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around to about here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. Another one's going to go up and down. And then one more, it's going to go up, down, and then we'll connect it to here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out and then in, right to the foot. Starting here, we're going to make that second foot, so we'll make a line that goes out, and then we'll do another one that's going to come out here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down here to connect it. Now for his little tail. We'll start right here. We'll make a line that's going to come out to a point. We'll bring it right back down to the foot. And our final step for Psyduck is to add the little hairs on top. So we'll just begin by going up, over, and down for like a little skinny rectangle. We'll make another one that goes a little bit higher, up, over, and down. And then we'll make one over here, up, down, and then over a little bit. And then you can just color these in real quick, just to show that they're nice and dark. And there you go, there is your drawing of Psyduck from Pokemon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.